Today we're going to be going over how to make a vintage looking cover art like Che.
This song is a war cry. Warning, new music may damage your eardrums.
So to start off, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make a new document. You want to make sure it is 3000 by 3000 pixels at 300 ppi, which is pixels per inch. This is just standard for cover arts in general. You guys can also do 1500 by 1500, and then when you're exporting, you can just upscale it 2 times, and that would be perfect. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and get your image. Now this image is really like bad quality looking, so that kind of works really well with the whole vintage look. Now this was on his Tumblr. I had an idea to kind of like duplicate it. I'm not really gonna go too in depth with the details of what I did, because you can just kind of like see, I guess. But yeah, I kind of just made like a collage here. One thing I will show you guys is the filter I put on it. So pretty sure what I did actually was just warp it, probably like fisheye, and or it might have been a wave. You can mess around with them. You can do wave, and then like this one's a bit more subtle. Kind of try and copy it for you guys. So just go to warp up here, go to wave, make it kind of subtle, and I'm pretty sure I went into the liquify as well. So just find a point here. We'll just make it a little subtle. We'll go to filter, liquify, and then we'll just make the brush a bit bigger. We will click on the blow tool, make that bigger, and you know, just tap and drag up. That's how you kind of bloat shit. And yeah, this is like a really nice like effect you guys can use just randomly, just for your pics and shit. And the main thing about this is the adjustments, and I am going to put this in my adjustment pack. There's going to be a huge update if you already have it, for everyone who has copped it. Really appreciate you guys. Black Market Copy Scan 2, this is the second one, so this is the copy scanner I use. Now the adjustments, these are like the most important part. It's not a lot, like as you guys can see, it's a pretty simple cover. And yeah, so starting off with the curves, just make a little S curve, I guess. Bring the darkness down, and then bring the lightness up a little bit. So I'll turn it on. That's what it looks like. You want to get your exposure. The exposure, this is like the lightness, I guess, like how bright it is. Then the offset is how faded out it gets, and then gamma correction, it just corrects the gamma or the faded out look, so it's not super faded out, like you can control it. The vibrance, just to kind of get rid of that really saturated look right here. And then gradient map, just black and white overlay, bring the fill down a little bit. And that's really all there is to this. Someone did, you know, hit me up on Instagram looking to break this down, so yeah, this is for you, man. Yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys do leave a like, subscribe. If you guys do want some cover art presets or, you know, adjustment packs, go down below, check out my adjustment my preset packs. If you guys are trying to get into cover arts and shit, make sure you guys go ahead and check those out.